Hi there! Welcome to Nally Learning. Today, we're going to talk about how to create an infographic poster using Canva. Let's begin. In the Canva window, click Create a Design button on the upper right portion of the page. Choose Poster. Using infographics is an effective way to communicate your message as it will make information more interesting with pictures and illustrations. There are available templates on Canva that you can use, but for now, let's build a poster from scratch. Our topic for this poster is how to empower women in the workplace. I have created a separate Google Doc file with 3 main points and dummy texts for the paragraphs. The first thing that we need to do is to create placeholders for the 3 salient points in the poster. For this, I will use a rectangle. On the left side, click the Elements button and search for Rectangle. Click the rectangle of your choice and adjust its size by dragging the adjustment buttons on the shape. Choose a color, then duplicate the triangle by clicking the Duplicate button on the upper right corner. Let's adjust the positions of the rectangle and choose different colors for the others. Now, let's add the title of the poster. On the left side, click the Text button and select Heading. Copy the title from the Google Doc and paste it to the poster. Adjust the text size and drag it to the top. Then, add the 3 points using the subheading format. Adjust the text size and choose Text Color. Let's use white. After this, let's add the explanation of the first point using the body text format. Adjust the text and choose the appropriate color of the text as well. Copy the text using the duplicate function. Same with the subheading, duplicate the first point. Let's change it using the actual text from the Google Doc and adjust the alignment. Now, let's add some images. On the left side, click on Elements and type Girl Power. Image search results will be shown and you can choose what best fits the subheadings. Adjust the size to fit the placeholder. And finally, you can download it as PDF and other image formats. That's it! That's how easy it is to create an infographic using Canva. Join us again next time for more tips and tricks here at Nowly Learning. Always remember that the best time to learn is now. We hope this video has been helpful to you. Like and subscribe to our channel to get more updates.